So in this Vrbo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the amount of travelers here on Vrbo. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Vrbo application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom left here and press on the home icon. Then once you're on the home icon, just go to the top to where it says going to dates and then travelers. Pretty straightforward. Press on travelers right here. Now what you can actually do is either add or subtract adult travelers or children travelers, or also too, if you're traveling with pets, you can check that off as well. So if you're looking for, a trip for 4 adults, you can go press on 4 right there, then go to the bottom and press on done. And then when you press on search, every listing that comes up will now be able to accommodate 4 people as compared to 2 people listings here on the Vrbo app. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to edit the amount of travelers here on Vrbo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.